98% of people avoid this. Why? Because it's uncomfortable. But the remaining 2%, they build a mental strength that changes everything. They're not stronger, smarter, or luckier. They just do one small thing every single day. And that one thing, it sets them apart. Mental strength isn't about being tough all the time. It's about choosing one tiny discomfort every single day. Say no to sugar. Wake up 5 minutes earlier. Speak up when it's hard. These aren't huge actions, but done daily, they rewire your brain to become unstoppable. Anna used to scroll Instagram the moment she woke up. One morning, she stopped. Just for 10 seconds, she sat with the urge. No scrolling, no distraction. It felt uncomfortable, like her brain was begging for dopamine. But those 10 seconds, they were her first rep of mental strength training. Discomfort activates your brain's executive center, the prefrontal cortex. It's like doing reps for your mind. The more you pause before reacting, the stronger your decision-making becomes. That's how a single moment of discomfort becomes long-term mental strength. The brain loves patterns. Each time you choose discomfort, you strengthen the path. Miss a day? Fine. But habits grow through consistency, not intensity. Like brushing your teeth, you don't wait for motivation, you just do it. And your brain thanks you later. 98% avoid discomfort, not because they're weak, but because the easy path is everywhere. But what if you chose the harder thing today? Just once. That single decision puts you in the 2%. Not someday, not eventually. Today, right now. Mark hated speaking up. But one day, he raised his hand, even with a racing heart. It wasn't perfect, but it was powerful. That single moment rewrote his story, from silence to courage. That's how micro-habits create macro-identity shifts. The things you avoid today will shape who you become tomorrow. Every time you embrace discomfort, you're building emotional armor. Not to block pain, but to face it and still move. Because the strongest minds, they've walked through the fire on purpose. Want to change everything? Start with just 10 seconds. Sit in the urge. Don't react. Don't escape. Just breathe. It's not glamorous, but it's powerful. In those 10 seconds, you're building awareness, and awareness is the beginning of transformation. Do one uncomfortable thing a day. That's it. No perfection, no heroics, just one tiny act of strength every single day. Stack those moments and soon you're someone who doesn't flinch. That's the 2% rule, and it's how ordinary people become unbreakable. Thanks for watching. If this clicked with you, imagine what just 1% more could do tomorrow. Hit subscribe to keep growing with us, and check out our next video, the 2-minute habit that rewires your brain for success, because the stronger you get, the easier it gets.